lonely one.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's 6:30 in the morning and people are leaving. There's nobody left in our little room of 4. Emerging from our albergue. There has been some moisture overnight, but there's not much at the moment. And our first task is to go up these steps. These famous steps. People come and have their photograph taken at the bottom. Leaving Sarria. This is the albergue attached to the monastery. Past the cemetery, going down the hill. Huge cemetery, really. Tough choice for cyclists. Straight on or go left. And if you go left, you go over this fantastic little bridge. Made for carts, clearly. No, we're not to go that way. It's one of those where the lights flash if there's a train. So we just have to come up. Look down the track. The railway line just above us. This is the Camino. They don't make you go across the ford. They give you a rickety old bridge. So that's what we're going to use. Big old gnarly tree. Never looks steep in a video, but this is fairly steep. There's the road bridge going across the valley. The remains of a stork. Oh dear. As the path wends its way through the fields. 4 kilometres in, we come to Albergue. Oh, this is a big auberge, but then we're on the last 100k, so I expect the quality to increase markedly. We'll see if we can get some breakfast. Getting our breakfast early. Very different bar, selling loads of things. The messages say, please donate food for us. Not much of an owner then. Into the next village. No village sign. Looks like we've got a wolf pack ahead. Look at that. This is my fear for this section. Groups. When your guard dog is confused about who to go for. There are so many people. Yeah, this is what it's going to be like for a long time. The mum's eating whilst the young just sit there and eat a little bit. A never-ending stream. It's busy, very busy. Oh dear, poor donkeys. We're just walking through loads and loads of pasture land. No need to irrigate. Some speedy Spanish youngsters. This is the busy section, so I imagined we'd get far more sellers out here giving stamps, buying things, all sorts of stuff. Good morning. Day 28. The end of the 4th week. Wow. So, we're into the final 105 kilometres. And the weather's nice and cool. But yesterday was a nice amble. We took a couple of alternates and a couple of local paths that probably most people don't walk on. But today we've got a 22k amble again. I mean, one of the things that's pretty clear is that this last 100 kilometres they try and shuffle you into larger conurbations, and you can see that the standard of Albergue is better, I suppose, than what we've had before, as this section probably has the bigger market, the bigger paying market. But we'll just keep walking. Let's see where the day takes us. More open spaces. It's a gentle walk, this section. Yeah, on this section from Sarria, the number of stamps and number of facilities increases substantially. You get something every 2 or 3 kilometres. So if you want to get 50 stamps, you can get 50 stamps. Hello. 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 You're a bit of an old dog, aren't you? We have a few more guard dogs, but these are fast asleep. I think this is the village of dogs. We've had so many dogs. We got you in here. We got this huge thing on the corner. Look at the size of him. He guards everything. Oof. This chappy, you're on a lead. Oh, a bit of a ford. This will be difficult. Is it lightening up, I wonder? Some dogs are just too tired. Okay. Another stop on the way. There's loads of them in this section. We've barely gone another kilometre and there's another place to eat. This is clearly different to the early sections. Is this another hermitage? We ask ourselves. Day is just hanging in there. The clouds look dark, but it's not as dark as the clouds seem. How are we enjoying ourselves? There you go. thumbs up. It's got to be good. This one says 101.27. So 1.2 kilometers for the big marker. You're a bit of a lonely one. Where are your friends? This is 100,757. I was wondering why there are coaches just here, but the reason is the trail goes that way and you got 100.7 kilometers to go, so you qualify for your 100 kilometers. We've gone 300 meters since the last bar. They pack them in down here, so we're very close to the 100 kilometers to go marker. According to the markers, who knows how far, but we're coming in to this village. It's a swerving game for drivers, everyone on every side of the road. It's quite a nice view, but it's flat. More food. Looks remarkably like the weather is coming in. We've just had quite a downpour. So it is the most popular type of rain gear. I just already had some, so I'm going to buy some more. Here we go. 96 kilometers to go. It wasn't that long since we passed the last place to get something to eat. Wow, what an amazing collection of little buildings. Another half kilometre or so, and another great place to eat. You won't starve on this section. A little bit closer to the cabbage, which you get in their soup, and you find it in other dishes. And the risk really great is they've just left the knife in the stem there. Oh, that rain has blown through. We have nice hills. There's our destination, 1 kilometre. So this is part of the dammed lake that forced them to move the village, brick by brick. It's a single carriageway bridge. Oh, here we go. Bags, bags, bags. Another mural. Aye, Captain. We certainly do. Oh wow, haven't seen one of these for a while. There's nobody in it. Oh dear. Whoa. Hello.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.